Hello guys, welcome to Daily Dose by Finity. NRIs are always on the lookout for various investment options in India because of the increasing potential that the Indian economy holds. Here we have some overview and guidance on the NRI investments in India. Bank NRE Deposits. This is one of the most basic investment options that do not require an investor to possess detailed knowledge of investments. These offer tax-free interest that are relatively risk-free. Many NRIs source low-interest loans from local bank and invest in the NRE deposits. Real estate. Real estate in India is much sought after by NRIs. However, it is important to conduct a thorough research on the property. At present, NRIs can only invest in residential or commercial real estate since they are not permitted to invest in agricultural properties. Direct equities. It is a good option as long as they are comfortable with the risk involved and have a basic knowledge of equity investments. Limit the portfolio to basic equity investment instead of making it complicated with multiple risk levels. Mutual funds. These are managed by professional fund managers, and investors do not have to pick a combination of investments by themselves. In mutual funds, there are three choices: debt mutual funds, equity mutual funds, and hybrid funds based on the type of assets they invest in. Government securities. Treasury bills or T-bills are government securities that have maturities ranging between 3 and 12 months. T-bills can be bought at RBI auctions. For long-term investments, NRIs can consider fixed-rate government bonds, floating-rate government bonds, or capital index bonds. PPF. NRI investors who have opened a PPF account till residing in India can continue to invest in it. NRIs cannot open a fresh PPF account. PPF is considered safe as it is government-backed. The maximum amount allowed to be invested is Rs 1.5 lakhs per year. NPS. NRIs who are Indian citizens are permitted to invest in NPS, PIO and OCI are not eligible for the investment form. Individuals aged between 18 and 60 years can invest in NPS. Hope these points help. For more tips like these, follow our YouTube channel and Instagram page. Happy investing!